This God is beautiful. Testing. Oluode. You are just talking. My friend know they chop suya. All the inside with onions. How was the meat?
It's okay.
Dope, right?
Very
You're
nice.
enjoying it.
Yes, now.
This is a different style. And damn! Oh, check this out. It's kuli. They call it kuli. We ate this a lot when we were young. Whoa. That's local dish. They call it amala, but they actually call it apple. The network is bad. This piece farm spoon. I don't know you eat amala.
I do eat amala. I like swallow more than any other thing.
If somebody wants to locate this place, how can they locate this place?
They are just coming from Lafewa. They are just coming from Lafewa.
Okay.
Just tell you are going to Alamutu
Okay.
market.
So from Lafenwa, Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria, tell them you are going to Alamutu market and they are going to direct you down here. This God is beautiful. I feel like taking this goat home. Whoa. Guys, check out my favorite spot in the market. This is the Suya stand. Whoa. This one makes sense. Okay. Oh man. Wow. Where's the tasting? No. That one is 1,000.
No. Mate, I don't want. No onion, nothing.
Testing. Oluode. No, you never give me testing. Give me big testing, Daddy. Give me small testing. You are just talking. Oluode, how much sugar should we buy?
Like chicken.
You sure? You love me too. See chicken over there. How much is chicken?
Complete.
Give us 3K. Let's try it. 3,000. No, make you do them for one place. No, chop them now. Yeah. Cut down.
No more.
Oh, look at the juice. Damn. Yeah, alubasa, onions. We need onions, man. He has gotten onions for us. Oh man, look at this. Woo. Oh. This place is hot. One yeah, that's a body shaki. Please let me hold it. Oh, look at this one. Have it. So got it for 3K. Let's go and chow down. With some onions. Compared to the other one we ate, this one is very nice.
Delicious. The sauce is not too much. Check it. About this way. Like again.
My friend know they chop suya. My own. I want to eat from the suya. This is the intestine, the body, and some nice meat soup. The texture is of the meat. Delicious. Ekins, how is it going?
Going right. Everything is good. This is honey. Very delicious.
I swear, let's get more. Give us more. Give us 2K more. But this one, sell them well. Make it plenty. 2,000. That one where you sell too small.
You see that I'm for PCF.
The suya is so good, we have to order more. You won't put this one now? You don't put this one where. See the small fishy that you did. Yeah, my toothpick. Yeah. Where? No, okay, we'll still go there. That's the inside part. See that chicken? All the inside with onions. How was the meat?
It's okay.
Dope, right?
Very
You're
nice.
enjoying it.
Yes, now.
I know. $5,000 gone. Guys, this guy just came to call me that we've been eating cow since and that this is ram. Oh my God. Okay, he said he just added it. He just put it on the fire, so we have to wait a little bit longer so we can try it out. Guys, check this out. This is a different style, and damn, goat, ram. Oh, this is dope. Wow, with chicken.
Customer. Customer.
Oh, dope. Oh my God. Wow, look at that beautiful goat. Damn. So airy.
You can pay money. 500.
Ah.
Yes. This one not two.
Where no be cow?
This one your meat is sweet very well.
It's sweet, but 500.
500. This
It's
one.
too much, man.
Look at where we.
That's a good breed of goat. 200. Oh damn. See, these are the intestine wrapped with the fat. Yeah. Then they wrap it up with fat. Okay. Those are the intestine parts close to where the goats defecate from. Check this out. It's kuli kuli. They call it kuli kuli. It's made with granite. Yeah, it's made with granite. How much? He said it's delicious. Oh, this one is with pepper. Yes. And it's good with gari. I'm going to take it home. It's so gari with it. It's crazy hot. There's a way they make this thing. We ate this a lot when we were young. Kuli kuli. When we were young, we used to soak gari with it. It goes well with gari and sugar. Man, it's just like eating gari with granite. And it's so crunchy. Tell me if you know this thing. If you're a Nigerian and you know kuli kuli. The kuli kuli from the south side, I think, is more delicious than that of the north. Because here they put pepper and some other stuffs. I don't know.
This one is from Ogun State.
This one is from Ogun.
Yiwa people.
There is pepper there. I can't stop eating, no. It's like we'll still get more. It's delicious. Seriously delicious. If you haven't tried it before, let me know in the comment section. And if you have tried it before, let me know in the comment section. Oh, Bengo.
Mama, there.
Whoa. This is white amala, not the black one. Yeah, this is a Egba's food. Egba's local dish. They call it amala, but they actually call it apple. That's like the indigenous name. Ooh. So delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. But people from Ibadan will never try it. They prefer their black amala. The meat cost 100 naira each. The amala to 200. And I took 2. The network is bad. This piece farm spoon. I don't know you eat amala.
I do eat amala. I like swallow more than any other thing.
How much do you think they will sell it in Abeokuta?
These two, we buy it for 500.
500 each. The sachet water. Okay. Everyone is eating amala.
Yes.
Alright. Are you getting ready to prepare another one? Mama, Omi lo wa lórí náà yẹn. So she wants to prepare another one as well. Wow. That's big. She's really making sales over here. It makes sense, right? The amala is delicious.
So delicious.
Sense making. And look, white amala with ewedu and omiobe. That's the soup. Alright guys, so everything we ate is 3,200 the food, but including the water, making 3,500, right? Sorry. So yeah, you're welcome. Shokbe? Alright.